Alright, welcome back to the channel. My name is Randall. This is the McClures. We react, review, make fun of, laugh at stuff over here. We're sponsored by McClures.store. We sell quality American products. You can help support the country and the channel. McClures.store. We're going to get into Upchurch today. Heavier Rain. We are here for it. I'm excited. Upchurch is dropping now. He kind of took a little break for a while there, it seems like. At least dropping these random songs out every once in a while. Obviously, he's never taken a break from dropping albums. The guy drops albums like crazy. But I'm not sure if this one's rap or if it's country or what. Based on the image, it's looking country. But you never know with Upchurch. It could be country for 2 minutes and then turn into a rock song, which would be awesome. Actually, I didn't even think about that till right now. I would love for this to be a rock song. Upchurch, if you ever watch this reaction, Creeker 3 is what I'm waiting for. Some of my favorite songs are on Creeker 1 and 2. So I'm excited for Creeker 3. But let's get into this one. Upchurch, Heavier Rain. Let's go. Okay, very Western movie.
I almost died to a flash flood in the spring of 2010.
Okay.
Every time thunder struck, it was hella loud, pounding in the back of my ear. Pictures burn in my brain, still make my spine shiver, of the dead livestock and old work trucks floating to the mouth of the river. Old folks on the roof praying to God can get baptized in the dark old river. So when you threaten me, it's exciting to see how you think you scared me, mister. So if the record labels try to drown me out, you'll see crazy eyes.
Alright, I got into a little trance there for a minute. Let me back it up here. Let me back it up.
Pounding in the back of my
Very like a hypnotic song. The beat.
pictures burn in my brain, still make my spine shiver, of the dead livestock and old work trucks floating to the mouth of the river.
So traumatized by the flood.
Praying to God can get baptized in the dark old river. So when you threaten me, it's exciting to see how you think you scared me, mister. So if the record labels try to drown me out, you'll see crazy eyes and a crooked smile sitting on my mouth. And I ain't made of sugar.
The record labels try to drown me out. You'll see a crooked smile sitting on my face. Okay. Okay. This is a big middle finger. I like it. I like Church when he drops a big middle finger song. Alright, this is a vibe. This is a vibe, though. Definitely storytelling.
I carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Yeah, I'm rebel tough, still carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Heavier rain. I've seen heavier rain.
Oh, that was cool. Alright, we're gonna back up that thunder drop in the background. That was awesome. This song is fire though. So yeah, this is a big middle finger to I'm thinking to the country labels with the vibe of this song. saying you guys ain't shit. You can't do nothing to me. He ain't scared. He ain't scared. Yeah, you got it, Michael. He ain't scared. Oh, we gotta hear it again. That thunder. Oh, that's bitchin'. Does anybody know, is that Church playing the guitar? I know that he plays. I don't know if he plays for his albums or if he just plays, you know what I mean? Like campfire style, but this is cool. This is cool.
Some chase the standard, famous and pampered for the self, make no decision. Some like the danger, back road cocaine, and 6-speed Chevy transmissions. Tell mainstream I said, come get some. You won't even know you're bigger. 'Cause this country boy ain't a labels play toy. I come from the mouth of the river. So if the record labels try to drown me out, you'll see crazy eyes and a crooked smile sitting on my mouth. And I ain't made of sugar, I carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Yeah, I'm rebel tough, still carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Heavier rain.
Rebel tough, carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Yeah, just a big middle finger. Bring it. This is a bring it outside.
I've seen heavier rain. Sink or you swim, son, I've been on a limb. As people's life gets swept from their fences. And Paul died, the boy seen his first grandson saddle up country music and tame it. So if the record labels try to drown me out, you'll see crazy eyes and a crooked smile sitting on my mouth. And I ain't made of sugar, I carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain. Yeah, I'm rebel tough, still carry no shame, 'cause I've seen heavier rain, heavier rain. I've seen heavier rain.
This song is fire. It's very like melancholy almost,
Yeah, I've seen
but
heavier rain.
at the same time, it's like it's an FU anthem at the same time as it's like a chiller vibe. Okay. Angelo, what's good, bro? Thanks for stopping by. All right, so that was Upchurch, Heavier Rain. We like that. If you're in the live chat, we're here. We're going to check out some more, but we're going to sign off on that one. So if you want to support the channel, McClures.store. We sell quality American products, McClures.store. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, that was fantastic. I really like that one. I'm not that big of a country guy. Honestly, I listen to rap the most, but I was just mentioning earlier that some of my favorite songs from Church are actually some of his rock songs that he does. For some reason, he has like this Alice in Chain-esque type of tone or voice or something when he sings rock. It seems like it fits so well. It reminds you of what the old rock used to sound like. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. But mainly I listen to his rap stuff. But this one's cool. This one's definitely cool. Like I said, it's very slow, melancholy kind of vibe, but at the same time, it's still kind of like an FU anthem to, no, I'm doing my own thing. There ain't nothing that can stop me or hold me back. So, um, yeah, yeah, we like that. We like that. Shout out Upchurch, shout out Creek Squad. You guys have been showing lots of support to the channel. I appreciate that. And if Upchurch drops them, we're going to be listening to them, if I have the channel or not. So we might as well do it with you guys. But thanks for stopping by for that one. What should we get into next? That is the question now. We got a few more viewers in the live, so everybody welcome. Thanks for stopping by and chilling with us. We do react every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 3:30 to 5:30. So if you want to come hang out with us, get your request in and all that good stuff, we will be here. I'm consistent. I haven't missed a day yet. Not that that's saying much. I've only had my channel for a couple months now.